BioStorage Technologies' expertise is in the management of the complete life cycle of the sample, from site of collection to sample preparation, storage, and retrieval. When your samples arrive at one of the BioStorage facilities, our inbound logistics teams weigh, open, and inspect all sample assets upon arrival. Each package is received in ISIS, and based on your direction, we can either utilize your preferred identifier or barcode label, or assign a unique identifier or barcode to facilitate tracking of the sample within our database. Once received at our facility, sample assets are immediately moved into the appropriate temperature area for registration and storage. Our sample registration process utilizes purpose-built workstations within our Sample Registration Center to properly scan and register your sample within ISIS. During registration, each individual sample is assigned a specific storage unit location within ISIS. This enables you to not only find which storage unit your sample is located in, but which shelf, box, and grid location within the box. Anytime a sample is placed into or removed from the storage unit, this is scanned into ISIS, which provides a complete chain of custody of your sample assets. This ensures that you will always know the precise location and audit trail of your sample assets. This attention to sample management quality and compliance provides you with the ability to successfully support regulatory audit inspections. Our sample preparation laboratory extends and renews the life cycle of samples for future research. Our breadth of services include normalized and volumetric aliquoting, blood component separation, automated liquid handling, nucleic acid extraction of DNA, RNA, and miRNA, and verification of DNA purity, yield, and concentration. Sample preparation allows you to understand the quality of the nucleic acid contents of your sample before it is placed into storage. This ensures you are storing the highest quality samples for future research testing. Our ultra-low temperature storage units at -70 and -80 degrees Celsius go through a 5-stage validation process prior to activation, and we keep pre-validated freezers on hand for backup. Storage freezer maintenance is performed weekly, and each freezer is equipped with a dual alarm system with Sensaphone technology, which contacts a technician if the freezer requires service. All freezers are wired independently for electrical supply, temperature, and alarm monitoring. In addition, each freezer is connected to an individual circuit and power supply, which provides individual monitoring and security of your samples within each storage unit. For storage of sensitive cell lines and sample types, BioStorage Technologies provides vapor phase liquid nitrogen storage at -190 degrees Celsius. For storage of non-bulk and non-liquid samples, BioStorage offers controlled, room temperature automated carousel sample storage. For organized and protected storage of heavy or large bulk samples, BioStorage offers controlled, room temperature environments. We also provide walk-in cold sample storage with redundant cooling units and multiple temperature probes at -20 degrees Celsius and 5 degrees Celsius. These storage units maintain continuous low temperature storage through 3 sets of dual compressors, which rotate every 12 hours. Each unit is configured for flexible pallet-to-tube storage capacity. Keeping your samples protected and stored at the right temperature is our guarantee. BioStorage utilizes multiple 120-ton HVAC systems and backups with independent chillers to ensure redundancy. BioStorage is powered by 100% renewable energy. Maintaining power to protect sample assets is a priority at BioStorage Technologies. Our facilities maintain multiple 1,000 kilowatt diesel generators. These are load tested weekly for 30 minutes, can transfer to power the entire facility within 7 seconds, and have a 24-hour fuel tank with an ongoing refueling contract. BioStorage provides 24 hours a day, 7 days a week tracking of the temperature of each of your sample assets via L-Pro monitors. Temperatures are taken each second and logged at 10-minute intervals into L-Pro monitors. This temperature history of your samples is maintained within our database and provides you with a chain of custody and quality assurance audit trail of sample assets. Individual battery backup protects all sample data. Temperature excursion alerts are sent to iPhones of operations personnel for prompt follow-up. With an emphasis on sample consulting, compliance, and technology, BioStorage is the premier global provider of comprehensive sample management solutions for the bioscience industry. Contact us at biostorage.com for more information or call us toll-free at 1-866-697-2675 or 49-6155-898-1011 to arrange your personal tour today. BioStorage, comprehensive sample asset management solutions.